Hello, I'm Michael Glass from MoveUpWithMike.com, where we focus on being financially literate so we can make informed decisions about our financial future. And normally we start off with a cartoon or quote, and our cartoon today really feeds into this financial literacy. If you only take the advice of your broker, websites, newsletters, TV shows, buy, sell, there's nothing wrong with that. And I encourage that, and I sell some of these things. But you have to be literate. You have to be able to financially literate to be able to take that information you're being given to you, and determine whether or not that information is good, if it matches who you are as a trader, if it matches your trading style, so that you can determine whether or not you should actually take that investment strategy. So this is the first video in our video series on Understanding Forex, and today we're just going to talk about some interesting facts. And as we go through the series, we're going to talk about what Forex is, how to read a quote, what is a pip, what is a lot. We're going to really walk you through in some short, concise videos the basic information that you need to understand how to be involved in the Forex market. Now, when we talk about some basic facts about Forex, one of the most important things to understand, it is the largest market in the world. You can see over here on the left, we have our images, and our NYSE is around 74 billion per day. Tokyo is 18 billion. The London Exchange is around 7 billion. If you combine those together, you get a little under 100 billion, and that's nowhere near the 4 trillion volume that we'll see in the Forex market. And that volume is what allows Forex to be the most liquid market. And what's good about that, as far as getting in and out of trades, you can do that pretty easily because there's enough volume. You don't have to worry about whether or not there's going to be somebody else on the other side of that trade. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, and that is 5.5 days a week. Basically, here in the States, we open up on 5 o'clock on Sunday, Eastern Standard Time, and we close at 5 o'clock on Friday. Some other interesting facts about Forex is that there's basically no commissions. Most brokers work on a spread as how they work out their trades. Leverage here in the States starts off at 50 to 1. Internationally, you can get up to 1,000 to 1. 200 seems to be standard, but there's different leverages depending on where you're based. There's no floor, there's no trading spaces, runners, people standing around, because most of the trades are handled electronically. And again, what that allows us to do is to make sure that there's not a lot of manipulation. We have a lot of volume, even though there's big banks. There's so much volume and so much going on in Forex that you don't have to worry about manipulation. And the other thing is that the dollar is involved in about 90% of those trades. So let's talk about those trades. As far as the major currencies, there's the US dollar, the Australian dollar, the British pound, the Canadian dollar, the euro, the Japanese yen, and the Swiss franc. Those make up about 85% of the volume. But as we just said, the dollar is involved in about 90% of the Forex currency pairs. So the most popular pairs are the dollar yen, the euro dollar, and the dollar franc. So, as we said, this is the first video in our series on Understanding Forex. Just wanted to share some interesting facts. We have what is Forex in our next video. What is a pip? What is a currency quote, and how to read that, and how do we make money with lots? All these are coming along, so please make sure you go to the next video installment, and I will see you guys next time.